Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon roe. First, ensure you have fresh salmon roe sacks, ideally from a recently caught fish. The fresher the roe, the better the final product. Next, you'll need to carefully separate the individual eggs from their surrounding membrane. A fine mesh screen or a special roe separator works best for this delicate task. Finally, give the separated roe a gentle rinse under cold, running water to remove any remaining impurities. Now that your roe is clean, it's time for brining. Create a simple brine solution using a 3-5% salt to water ratio. For example, use 35 grams of salt per 1 liter of water. Ensure the salt is fully dissolved before adding the roe. Gently submerge the cleaned salmon roe into the cold brine. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on your preference for saltiness, so taste a few eggs to find your perfect balance. After brining, carefully drain the roe using a fine mesh sieve to remove all the liquid. It's crucial to get rid of as much moisture as possible. Next, gently pat the roe dry with paper towels. Be very delicate to avoid breaking the eggs. This step helps improve the texture and shelf life. Once dried, transfer your beautiful cured salmon roe into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Your homemade salmon roe is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served simply on blinis with a dollop of creme fraiche or on crisp toast points. You can also use it as an elegant garnish for sushi, sashimi, or even a luxurious pasta dish. The possibilities are endless for this delicate and flavorful treat. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.